Hey plugheads, welcome back to the channel, it's Sheen here. Today we are diving in another free plugin called Greverb and crafted by Greverb. And if you are looking for perfect settings for your lead vocal in the pop rock, check this out. Okay guys, here we have the dry wet knob. You can adjust the amount of dry or wet signal. If you are in the parallel track, go totally wet. If you are like me in the insert track, go around 13 or 15. Stuff like that. And the second knob is the decay. The decay control how long the reverb tail lasts, and for the vocal typically around 1.52 seconds. For the lead vocal is nice, and adjust this from there depending on the vibe. Okay, and you can go 30 or 50 to set around 1.5 seconds, because here we have the percent, and I set like this. The pre-delay is the time between the original sound then when the reverb kick in. Okay, like 10 or 20 milliseconds. It's nice, it's recommended, but you experiment between 10 or 15, especially if you want to keep clarity in the mix. The third knob is the sides. The sides affect the perceived space of the reverb. Think it like the sides of the room, okay? This is for the truth. This is for the people, even the ones who. Here we have the modulate. This knob here, the rate mod and the mod amount. Add a subtle modulation to reverb, creating a sense of movement. This can be particularly useful to avoid a static or file reverb sound. For next, we have the damping. Controls how quickly the frequency of the reverb tail fades. Increasing the damping makes the reverb sound warmer, as higher frequency decay faster, okay? For the lead vocals, adding some damping can help keep the reverb from sounding too harsh, okay? Here we have the brightness, which affect overall tone of the reverb, making sound either darker or brighter. Here we have the high cut, low cut, and input and output. Okay. Go to check for the last time without. Make it some dark. Okay, I like. Okay guys, this is my settings for the lead vocal pop rock. If you want, check this in your mix. And for today it's all. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace. Took a baking dish, everything but a grocery list, and you could see the feel.